Experiencing incomplete charging cycles in your Tesla Model S? You're not alone. This can stem from several factors, including battery aging, software glitches, or hardware issues, particularly in older models from 2012 to 2020 and some refreshed versions up to 2024. Common causes include battery aging over time, software glitches that occur with updates, and hardware issues in the battery system. These problems are especially common in the original 2012-2020 Model S lineup and some refreshed models up to 2024. Often, the issue revolves around the charge limit setting, which is a user-settable feature that caps charging at a certain percentage to protect battery life. You can see this on the vehicle's touchscreen, where you can adjust or disable the limit. Another common culprit is the battery management system, or BMS, which monitors and controls the battery. Sometimes the BMS needs calibration to accurately read the battery's state and allow full charging. Battery aging is a natural process that affects charging capacity over time, as shown in this degradation chart. And here's what the charging setup looks like with a Tesla charging cable plugged in. In this video, we'll explain how to troubleshoot and potentially fix these issues by checking the charge limit setting or performing a BMS calibration. The charge limit is a user-settable feature designed to extend battery lifespan by preventing full charges. It caps charging at a specific percentage to avoid lithium-ion degradation. You can adjust the charge limit in the Tesla app or on the car's touchscreen under Controls, Charging, Limit Charge. On the touchscreen, navigate to the charging settings to view and modify the limit. The Charge Port Open screen may also show related options. A miscalibration or accidental setting change can cause the car to stop charging prematurely, even before reaching the set limit. To fix this, ensure the limit is set to your desired percentage, ideally 80 to 90% for daily use and 100% for trips, and check that there are no app overrides in place. Reset if needed. The Battery Management System, or BMS, serves as the brain of your Tesla Model S battery pack. It continuously monitors and controls the battery's operation to ensure safe and efficient performance. The BMS performs two critical functions. First, it balances the individual battery cells to prevent any single cell from overcharging or undercharging, which could damage the battery. Second, it accurately estimates the state of charge, or SOC, telling you how much energy remains in the battery. Over time, as the battery ages, its capacity naturally decreases due to chemical changes in the lithium-ion cells. This degradation can cause the BMS to become inaccurate in its SOC calculations. For example, the system might think the battery is full when it's not, or stop charging prematurely. Calibration becomes necessary in several situations. After the battery is deeply discharged, such as when you drive until the range indicator shows nearly zero, when batteries are replaced during service, and after significant software updates that change how the BMS operates. Through calibration, the BMS is reset to accurately measure the battery's current capacity. This involves a full discharge, followed by a complete charge, allowing the system to recalibrate its SOC estimates. As a result, your Tesla will charge fully again, eliminating those frustrating incomplete charging cycles. Understanding BMS calibration is key to maintaining your Tesla Model S battery health. For older Tesla Model S vehicles, manual BMS calibration may be needed to address charging issues. This process involves carefully discharging and recharging the battery to recalibrate the system's state of charge estimation. Start by driving your vehicle until the battery reaches near 0% range. This deep discharge helps reset the battery management system's understanding of the current charge level. Next, connect your Model S to a home charger and charge slowly to 100%. Use a standard level 2 charger rather than superchargers to avoid putting thermal stress on the battery cells. During charging, monitor the process using the Tesla app's energy graph. Look for smooth voltage curves without sudden plateaus, which indicate proper calibration. The graph shows battery percentage versus miles driven. If the calibration doesn't resolve the charging issues, repeat the discharge and charge cycle 1 or 2 more times. This often fixes persistent problems with incomplete charging. Keep in mind that Tesla's software updates have automated much of this calibration process in newer Model S vehicles, making manual intervention less necessary for recent models. Even with charging issues resolved, optimizing your driving habits can significantly improve range. Maintain tire pressure at 45 psi for optimal efficiency. Use Eco Mode to optimize energy consumption. Minimize cabin preconditioning to conserve battery power. Avoid hard acceleration for smoother, more efficient driving. Tesla's regenerative braking, or one-pedal driving, can recover up to 60% of kinetic energy during braking. These practices ensure you're getting the most out of each charge, achieving real-world ranges of 300 to 350 miles, even with battery aging. Tesla frequently releases over-the-air software updates that address charging anomalies and improve BMS diagnostics. These updates include enhanced algorithms that detect and mitigate charge limits, helping older Model S vehicles maintain better performance. Between topics, here's a quick visual transition. Additionally, Tesla issues service bulletins for specific fixes. For example, Service Bulletin SB 24-001 provides a free fix for incomplete charge cycles in pre-2021 Model S vehicles, often involving BMS recalibration at service centers. Keep an eye on Tesla forums and official communications for the latest updates and bulletins to ensure optimal charging performance. If DIY calibration and software updates don't resolve the issue, it's time to contact Tesla service. They have specialized diagnostic tools to identify and fix more complex problems, such as faulty battery modules or BMS hardware failures. In 2025, Tesla introduced free BMS recalibrations for affected units under extended warranty for battery-related complaints. The trend is moving towards software-centric fixes with improved battery technology. Tesla is integrating AI-driven BMS adjustments to reduce the need for physical service visits. Newer Model S units, like the Plaid models with 4680 cells, feature improved cell chemistry that leads to better range retention over time. Expect mandatory BMS health checks in annual service packages and potential retrofits with solid-state batteries in the future. Focus on proactive battery maintenance to extend your Model S's lifespan and ensure optimal performance in the coming years.